Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ICC SuperTeam Cricket not launching, won't start, not opening, not working, keep stopping error on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So when you get this kind of error, the very first method is to restart your Android phone. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If there is any internet connection problem, or if you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if internet is stable and then try to play the game. If the error still occurs, you are suggested to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After that, try to open the game and check whether it's working or not. If the same issue occurs, then you are suggested to clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache option. Then click on clear cache, and after that try to play the game and check if it's working now. If not, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for ICC SuperTeam Cricket, then click on it to open and then check if any update is available. If any update is there, simply click on update option, and after that try to play the game and check. You are also suggested to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update if the issue still occurs. For that, go to settings, then go below, click on system update, and here you will find if any update is available. If yes, then update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you are also suggested to check if your phone have enough space. So what you need to do is go to settings. After that, click on RAM and storage. Now this step can differ from phone to phone. You simply have to check if there is enough space to install the game. If there is less space, you have to delete some unused apps or games or data, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If you are still facing problem, then you are suggested to install a VPN and then launch the game. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for a VPN and you will get a list of VPN apps. Install any one of them and change the location, and after that try to launch the game or install the game and check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once the game is uninstall, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and now click on the install option and wait for some time unless the game is installed. And once it is installed, you have to click on the play button or open button and then check if the game is now working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.